Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain about a commonest modality that is found along with all the symptoms present in Pulse. That means whenever a patient comes to us with this modality of any other suffering they have, we generally blindly give Pulse. But what is the exact reason that Pulse is acting so well in this, those conditions, and what is the pathophysiology exactly behind this symptom? I'll be explaining in this video. So keep watching this video to know that. So there is something called as sphere of action. I guess this is a term which is like you might have heard about. Like each and every remedy we have in Materia Medica has some or the other sphere of action, like wherein it acts really good. An area like blood vessels, like for example, if you take arnica, the blood vessels are very much prominently having an effect or affinity towards action of arnica. If you take Rustox, joints are its very commonest area, or they can take as connective tissue. And if you take belladonna again, it's generally having a good effect on overall circulation and blood in the body. And if you take aconite, it has a very good affinity over the nervous system, and so on. So each and every remedy has its favorite spot of action, so you can take it as sphere of action. Coming to Pulse, it generally acts on four things, but I'm discussing only one of the component of it, that is blood vessels. So as Pulse acts on blood vessels, and especially it acts on venous system, that means the collective system which is called as veins and capillaries. And in generally its affinity is more towards the right heart, that is like which is concerned with the blood collection from the whole body. So whenever a person having this sluggish or say deficient functioning of this collecting system, being in closed room generally make their body heat up more, and the closed rooms or say the packed rooms make them very much uncomfortable. So that is the reason they desire open air a lot. So whenever the rooms are closed, the blood vessels, the venous system become the veins under the skin becomes a bit tortuous. And this is the exact explanation given in Farrington. If you want much more information about that, you can refer to this book. From that book only I have taken the reference. So this is the way Pulse acts on blood vessels, specifically on the capillaries, and that is the reason it is much more beneficial in conditions where the venous system is disturbed and the sluggishness is observed in venous system circulation. But you may get a doubt, there is also a symptom of chilliness seen in this Pulse. So why is this symptom present? So why is the chilliness? So this is the explanation for that. This chilliness is present because of the anemia and chlorosis that is present in Pulse. If you go through the generalized development of the pathophysiology in this drug, you may observe that the women, or say who in wherein Pulse acts really good, they generally suffer with this anemia or chlorosis. And in people suffering with anemia, then generally the BMR or the basal metabolic rate is very much less, and there is anxiety and there is nervousness because of this decreased circulation, and there is dizziness and weakness, and that is the reason this chilliness is accompanying many symptoms. So this is the explanation for these two common symptoms that are observed in Pulse, and this is the pathophysiology behind these. So I'll be explaining much more explanation about each and every symptoms in the drug. I don't want you guys to know I'll be giving this remedy in this condition, I'll be giving this remedy in this condition. I would like you guys to understand why did I do that. I need you guys to have a clearer idea about the pathophysiology, and especially the affinity and the sphere of action of these remedies, so that you will be in a situation that you can yourself choose, and you can reach to a certain point where you can justify why did that physician choose that given remedy in that given condition. So that's what I wanted to explain through this channel. So that's what I wanted to share in this video. Hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, and of course share it with your friends so that even they'll learn what you have learned today. So that's what I wanted to share in this video. Till then, bye bye and have a great day, guys. Bye.